has already hosted several numbers of ODI matches as well as T20 matches, but there was no test match being played in Assam. Earlier, few multi-day tournaments involving East Zone and foreign teams were played in Guwahati, mostly in Nehru Stadium, which was the first venue in Assam. But from 2017 onwards, all the international matches are being hosted in this ACA Stadium at Barsapara. So we thank Sri Jaisa, who at that point of time was the secretary of BCCI, and thereafter when he became the ICC chairperson, it has become much easier for him to support Assam Cricket Association. And on behalf of entire Northeastern Cricket Associations, we thank Jaisa for allowing us to host not only the test match but also 2 months ago the World Cup matches involving the women's. The ICC Women's 50 overs tournament was also being conducted. That was also first of its kind in Assam. And now the test match. And with holding this test match here, I am sure a lot of young cricketers will get encouraged to play the cricket in a much more better way. And a lot of encouraging things is going to happen with hosting of this match. It has already created a ripple across the breadth and length of our state, as well as other northeastern states. So I hope that this test match will not only attract the people to the stands but also have some positive impact on the upcoming cricketers' career in cricket. So far as the match is concerned, the match will start at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. because we have to prepone the match by half an hour considering our geographical location of Assam. We have early sunrise, early sunset. Therefore, instead of 9:30, which is the normal time for our country to start the test match, we are hosting it at 9 o'clock. And you have already come to know that for the first time, tea will be taken before the lunch. So for 2-hour session, it will start at 9 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, the first break after 2 hours. And instead of a lunch break, we will have a tea break for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes break at 11:20, the second session will start. It will be over at 1:20, and that will be the lunch session. So the lunch break will take place at 1:40 till 2 o'clock. And from 2 o'clock, the final session or the third session of each day will take place. So it is fixed from 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. So that is the schedule. On the first day, the match will start at 9 o'clock, so the functions will start around 8:30. Both the teams will assemble, toss will take place, then thereafter the national anthem, and there are few small events being organized, like exchange of toss, presenting the toss coin to the visiting captains, then signature of the official portrait of the stadium. These are being done as a part of hosting the first or inaugural test match in Guwahati. Otherwise, in normal test situations, these events are not part of the regular course of action. But as Guwahati is having the first test match, so these two events will be part of that presentation of the toss coin to the captains, as well as signing of the official portrait of ACA Stadium, Barsapara. It will be followed by ringing of the bells, and the match will start at 9 o'clock. So far as the crowd is concerned, the gates will be opened at 7 o'clock, 2 hours prior to the start of the match. And tomorrow a detailed press conference will be conducted by Assam Cricket Association for the benefit of the people who will be coming to the stadium. In that press conference, the detailed road linings, the parking places, the other requirements regarding what can be brought to the stadium, etc. All these details will be presented by Assam Cricket Association to the public through another press conference tomorrow. So basically, these are the things we have to inform you. Now, if you have anything from your side, you can put your question to us. So, আপুনি অসমীয়াত সুধিছে, মই অসমীয়াত বহুত নেশ্যনেল মিডিয়াও আছে। So regarding the bail, we have decided to have it from our traditional bail metal. Sarthebari is one place in the district of Borpeta. Our secretary is also from Borpeta. So we have the connection to the industry of bail metal. In Assamese we call it Ka. Ka is the word for the Assamese word for bail metal. So as a bail has to be installed in the stadium, because earlier this stadium was hosting only ODI matches as well as T20 matches, and there is no scope of having any bell ringing ceremony or bell ringing presentation. From 2007 onwards, when it was introduced, several test venues have started and installing these traditional bells. So Guwahati has got the opportunity to start the test match for the first time from 22nd of November. So we have to also follow the tradition started in 2007 in Lords and various other places. Even in the first test in Calcutta, they have a bell ringing ceremony. It was also followed in various places in New Zealand as well as in Australia. So we do not want to be different from the tradition of test cricket. So Assam Cricket Association have done it at a very short notice. So we get the bell, which is of 35 kgs of bell metal. It was given, the order was placed about 4 days ago. It is ready, it is on the way today, and it will be fixed this evening. And the structure is done with driftwood, which we have procured from a place in Meghalaya. So driftwood is being utilized so that it will be exposed to the sun and rain all the time. So there should not be any damage of the structure. So therefore, driftwood, we have thought that it is water resistant. Therefore, we have done it, and tomorrow or maybe on the day of the test match, everybody can have a view of it, and it will be a very nice. It has come out very nicely. Thank you. That announcement, there should be some suspense. So let us wait till tomorrow evening. We will announce it.
Regarding tickets, how many tickets have been sold out?
So far as ticket is concerned, I would like to give the mic to the President of Assam Cricket Association. He will be able to give the figures.
Till now, we have been able to declare for the first 2 days. So as is Saturday and Sunday, almost we think on Sunday it will be houseful matches, but average 20,000 tickets was being sold for both the days. 19,000 something for Saturday, 19,000 something for Sunday, and we are expecting on Sunday it will be a houseful.
The trend is going up. The ticket sale for last 2 days, it is really picking up. And the ticket price is very low. So I hope all the people will come and watch this match, encourage test cricket in Assam, which I am sure will have a long pending effect or positive effect for the future of cricket in our region. Well, it will be installed just in front of the two pavilions. Two pavilions are there, just next to the side screen. Anything else? All the BCCI office bearers will be present here. So we do not have any information, official information. Personally, I know, I was in touch with him. He visited temple also. We organized, but that is nothing of official. So it is his personal visit.
Sir, last
So মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীক আজি আমি আবেলি 5টা বজাত অসম ক্ৰিকেট সন্থা আৰু BCCI ফালৰ পৰা আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰিব যোৱা কথা আছিলে। তেখেত আজি বিহাৰত সুৱেৰিং ইন চেৰিমনিত প্ৰেজেন্ট হৈ আছে। তেখেতৰ আবেলি সময় 4টা প্ৰগ্ৰাম আছিলে, কিন্তু বিহাৰৰ পৰা এতিয়াও তেওঁ ৰিটাৰ্ণ হ'ব পৰা নাই। তাতে বিভিন্ন অনুষ্ঠানত তেওঁ জড়িত হৈ আছে। সো তেওঁক আজি আমি সন্ধিয়া 7টা বজাত লগ পোৱাৰ কথা আছিলে। আই থিংক দ্যাট উইল বি পোষ্টপন। অহাকালি 2টা বজাত আমি হয়তো তেওঁক লগ পাম, আৰু তেওঁক লগ পোৱাৰ পিছত আমি আমন্ত্ৰণ কৰিম তেওঁ যাতে পৰহিলে আহি খেলখন উপভোগ কৰে। আমি তেওঁক আমন্ত্ৰণ দিম, তেখেতৰ শিডিউলৰ ওপৰত ডিপেণ্ড কৰিব তেখেত আহিব নে নাহে। অসম ক্ৰিকেটে বিভিন্ন ক্ৰিকেটৰ উন্নতিৰ কাৰণে প্ৰচেষ্টা লৈছে আৰু সেই প্ৰচেষ্টাখিনি জাৰি ৰাখিব সেইখিনি চলি থাকিব আৰু ভৱিষ্যতৰ দিনত প্লেয়াৰ ওলাব নিশ্চয় সেইটো সেই প্ৰশ্নটো কেনেকুৱা নহয় আপুনি অলপ নিজে খবৰটো লওক আপুনি জাৰ্নেলিষ্ট হয় কি হৈ আছে একজেক্ট খবৰটো লৈ পেলাই এছিয়াৰ প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট আছে তেখেতক আহি জনাব পাৰে ছেক্ৰেটাৰী আছে জনাব পাৰে কিহৰ শুভমন গিলৰ ইঞ্জুৰি এতিয়ালৈকে তেওঁ আণ্ডাৰ অবজাৰভেশ্যনছ আছে ফাইনেল ডিচিশ্যন একো হোৱা নাই হি ইজ আণ্ডাৰ অবজাৰভেশ্যনছ ষ্টিল উই হেভ 48 hours ফৰ দ্য মেচ টু ষ্টাৰ্ট
Print media কাৰণে পৰখি যেটো 7টা মান বজাত ৰাইজে ওলাই আহিব so that is more useful for print media because the restriction people don't know
I have just verified why it is taking so late so the police has not been able to give the final road map regarding the entrance ingress and egress of the vehicles that is why it has been delayed otherwise this was scheduled to be held after this press conference but as the final road map has not reached us or Assam Cricket Association has not got that information and their police person will also have to be present here once that map is finalized and fixed then only it can be released to the public so that position is not there so I'm sure they will take some measures to give publicity so that there is no difficulty but broadly speaking whatever we follow in hosting any bilateral matches here or like the World Cup matches also same principles will be followed people in general are aware what will be the areas where they can park their vehicles which will be the no entry because the issue is basically the construction of the flyover is going on that is one stumbling block so I'm sure they will not change much because this project is going on for last 1 year and still it will continue for another 6 months so next IPL and the India New Zealand T20 match also will have the same plan of action regarding the traffic movement so people we are aware but still they should have done it today so that it could have been published tomorrow's newspaper but I think there are various mediums nowadays it is not only that print media social media is very active and electronic media is also there so some options will definitely work it out so that people are aware through which road they have to come and what will be the timings. So এই বীজ সম্পৰ্কে আমি এটা আলোচনা কৰাটো উচিত নহয় এইটো এটা অলপ যেহেতু এইটো এক্সেছটো আমাৰ লগত নাথাকে আইদাৰ BCCI or Assam Cricket it is between the curatorৰে ডিসিশন লয় so they are doing and I am sure a good cricket match will take place with all sporting conditions